Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Ghost properly Untitled boxing game. Start by calibrating your controller and confirming gesture zones match your reach, then set guard sensitivity to an intuitive level. Test hit detection using light jabs and a heavy straight, watching the feedback indicators closely. Keep latency low by closing background apps, and practice short drills to build timing and motion memory for cleaner combos and smarter defense. Warm up your shoulders and visualize angles before entering a match, then practice stepping drills to control ring space and distance. Focus on micro adjustments that preserve stamina and open clear lines for counters, rather than large, predictable moves. Incorporate pivots after every 2 punches to reset and frustrate opponents, and use guard leans to soak hits while maintaining balance. This approach emphasizes control, and smarter engagements combine short jabs and heavier hooks to create rhythm breaks that open guards and invite mistakes, then capitalize on openings with a controlled power shot. Employ feints sparingly to provoke defensive shifts, then follow with targeted strikes to exposed areas. Monitor your stamina and retreat briefly after intense exchanges to recover, and practice sequences slowly to make transitions smooth and automatic under pressure during real matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.